caramel sea salt bar. Some days aren't built for speed. You just need steadiness. The Salish sea salt caramel bar is built for long miles, cool air, and the kind of effort that sneaks up on you. It balances quick energy with fat and salt, the things your body actually asks for when the weather turns or the day stretches on. This is part of a 3-bar system, food designed for movement, not marketing. And here's how I make it. Clan Cascadia, welcome. Jameson here with the Kilted Hiker. Today we're going to take a close look at the Salish Sea Salt Caramel Bar. I know that's a mouthful. It's going to be a delicious mouthful. It's a carb-heavy bar, and so it'll give you that quick energy when you need it. It'll give you a slow release energy as well with the oats in there. I designed it around a 3-bar system, so if you paired that with my Kombu Sesame Seed bar or my Summit Sunrise bar, the nutrients in all those are going to balance you out. And that being said, it could also be a standalone bar. Just bring it along with you on a little day hike for a treat. No rules. Oh, one rule. We got to get mixing, so let's go. Okay, here we go. So we're going to be starting with some sprouted oats here. Now it's a complex carbohydrate. It's going to give you that slow energy release, and it has fiber. Who doesn't like fiber? We're going to be putting in 300 grams of this, so here we go. So this is going to boost protein for muscle repair, and it's going to balance out what is shaping up to be a carb-heavy bar. So this is a vanilla protein powder. It's got a lot going on. If you don't want to use this, that's fine. You could substitute this with a protein powder of your choice, be it pumpkin seed powder or brown rice protein powder. So do what you want to do. But for this, we're going to be putting in 120 grams. So here we go. Puffed rice. So this is going to give you quick digesting carbs and help replace the glycogen stores after long hours on the trail. So we're going to be putting in 36 grams of puffed rice. Maybe. Crispy puffed quinoa. So this is going to give you extra protein, iron, magnesium, and most importantly, some crunch. So we're going to be putting in 36 grams of this. Oh, gotta turn that back on. Here we go. Hemp seeds. These are going to be packed with omega-3s. They're a good plant protein, and they have magnesium for muscle health. So we're going to be putting in 36 grams. Here we go. Coconut shreds. It's a source of healthy fats, particularly MCTs, which is a fat that releases really quick, so it'll convert into energy right away, and not just stores of fat. So we're going to be putting in 36 grams of this. If I could open it. Here we go. Pecans, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, and help support joint and heart health. So we're going to be putting in 60 grams of pecans. Already pre-measured, so done. High in fiber and omega-3s. The winner here is chia seeds. These are also good for keeping you hydrated. What I mean by that is they will absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water and then do a slow release. So perfect for a long day hike in the sun. We're going to be putting in 24 grams of these. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just add this rest of this dry mixture here, and we'll mix that up thoroughly later. And we're going to start on the wet stuff here. I'm going to throw the dates in with the wet stuff. So this is going to give you natural, fast carb and potassium, so that's going to help balance out your electrolytes. And this calls for 120 grams. So these, I just get these in the bag like this. Date. So just chop these up how you want. 8 of them or so, and in the pot they go. Tahini, sesame seed butter, whatever you want to call it, it's good. So this is going to have healthy fats, protein, calcium, iron. It's good for strength, it's good for recovery. It's just good. And we're going to be putting in 240 grams of good. Here we go. Agave nectar. Now this has a low glycemic index, lower than most other sweeteners, so that's good. That means it's going to give you a slow energy release. It's going to be gradual. It's not going to hit you too hard. It's not going to make you crash. And this recipe gets 180 grams of agave. So here we go. Brown rice syrup. So like the agave, this is going to be a slow releasing carbohydrate, so it's going to help balance out those fast sugars. We're going to be putting in 120 grams, so here we go. So for the fast release energy, we've got honey. So it's got glucose, it's got fructose, it's got some trace antioxidants in there as well. And we will be putting 60 grams of it in this recipe. So here we go. So now I'm just going to put in a splash of vanilla. And I will throw in my dates that I measured out earlier. And we'll give this a good mix. Once we get this mixed up, we'll add it to the dry ingredients. All right, so we have all the dried ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. We have all the wet ingredients all mixed up and ready to add. So we're just gonna combine the two. And this is where things get messy. I won't make you watch, but I'm gonna get my hands in there and I'm gonna mix it up real good. Gonna take my time, mash it together, make sure it sticks in the end. And if not, we'll add a little more of a binder, but I think the measurements are good, so we'll see. All right, so I had to press the go button on the phone with my nose because my fingers. But basically, you just want to be able to make it form like that. Make sure that it's not going to fall to pieces on you. And I think we're good with it. So I'm going to set out the silicone pans and we'll get to pressing. Now I got to put this out with my nose again. All right, so once you get it all pressed into the molds, it should look like yay. I love these silicone molds, but if you don't have them, don't worry. You can use a baking dish and some wax paper. Just press it in there. After it sets in the fridge, cut it into pieces. So we're just about there. Finishing touches is just to sprinkle to taste sea salt, and I'm gonna put a little cinnamon over the top as well. So just gonna sprinkle it on like yay. Then I'm gonna put this in the fridge to set, and let's touch base tomorrow. Give them a taste. Talk about it. Okay? See you then. All right, well, I wasn't exactly telling the truth. It is not the next day. It's not the next week or month or even season. It is now the dead of winter. But I'm going to try this just for you, darn it. Okay, so it's got a nice mellow sea salty goodness to it. That caramel kind of reminds me of a Rice Krispie treat in the texture, which is nice. This is going to be a great bar for that last push, whether it be hiking or paddling, whether you're trying to get to camp or the car. This will do it. If you want to learn how to pack these, how I pack these, watch the kombu tutorial. I kind of show at the end how to do that. But yeah, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up. I'll give you 5 steps before I end this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you for now.